Welcome. Today we are looking at history revision questions, and then later I give you the answers. Thank you for subscribing. Question 1A. Explain the formation of the United Nations Organization. 1B. State the functions of the Security Council of the United Nations. 2A. In what ways has the United Nations contributed to the maintenance of peace and security in the world? B. Name 2 agencies of the United Nations which are concerned with development. 3A. Explain the role of United Nations since 1945. 3B. State the factors which have undermined the performance of the United Nations. 4A. Give the aims of Commonwealth of Nations. 4B. State the advantages of being a member of the Commonwealth. 5A. Identify the characteristics of the Commonwealth of Nations. 5B. What are the functions of the Commonwealth Secretariat? C. Name the 3 specialized agencies of the Commonwealth. D. State the challenges that have affected the performance of the Commonwealth. Question 6A. Define non-alignment. B. Name the founder leaders of the non-alignment movement. 6C. Explain the rise of the non-aligned movement. 7A. What are the aims of the non-aligned movement? 7B. State the achievements of the non-aligned movement since 1955. C. What problems has the non-aligned movement faced? Question 8A. Define Cold War. B. State the factors that led to the Cold War. 8C. Identify the weapons used during the Cold War. 9A. Explain the steps taken to ease the Cold War. B. What were the effects of the Cold War? Answers. Question 1A. Reasons for the formation of United Nations Organization: maintaining peace and security, developing friendly relations among member states, replacing the League of Nations that had collapsed, promotion of international understanding and cooperation, prevention of another war, promotion of cultural interaction, promotion of fundamental human rights and freedoms, promotion of social progress and better living standards, promotion of economic development among members, protection of the interests of the minorities such as children and women. Functions of the UN Security Council, that is the United Nations Security Council, maintains peace and security as it advises on ways of settling disputes peacefully, admits, suspends, and expels members from the UN, investigates disputes of any situation that may lead to the friction of cause dispute, investigates disputes or any situation that may lead to friction or cause disputes, negotiates, mediates, and arbitrates disputes between states, recommends to states appropriate procedures to be followed in settling disputes, determines whether any situation threatens peace and takes the necessary measures to maintain peace, calls upon some of all members to provide forces or to facilitate military action against aggressors, like deploying peacekeeping forces in war-torn countries. Question 2A. How